Rekeying a jammed cylinder. Tools required. Reset cradle, Phillips screwdriver, pair of pliers, the reset tool. Certain handles require an Allen key, cylinder removal tool, and the key. We're going to start with the deadbolt. Take the deadbolt. There's 2 screws that have to come out. Take your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws. Remove the cylinder. The cylinder will slide out the bottom. There's a retaining clip on the back. Take your pliers, lift, and pull it off. The cylinder will now slide right out. Take your reset cradle. There's an arrow and there's a slot. The 2 must line up. Take your cylinder. It can only go in one way. Okay? Take the tool, cradle, all the way around until it stops. The rekey tool, stick it in the slot, you'll hear it click. Take your key, stick it in the cylinder, quarter turn, pull it out. It's now rekeyed. Take the key out and reassemble. The ring goes back on. Now insert the 2 screws. You've just rekeyed the deadbolt.